yeah. And found another siren.
Are you gonna give a countdown?
Yeah, I'll do that.
Where are the earplugs?
I'm trying to find something.
I'll wait until they got earplugs. They want hearing protection.
Yeah, I think they're looking for some ear protection.
Are we 10 feet?
But yeah, the difference is those are vehicular air raid sirens, and they have a different type of engine where it's like a car starter. They're not meant to be continuous, so that's why lots of times you.
Zach can't stick his fingers in his ear.
Whereas this is an air raid siren. This is like
Me, I don't
meant
know
for
for
this
eardrum.
kind of thing.
I want to pause this and I'll.
Let me know when you
All
guys are all
right,
ready.
go for it.
Should we be a certain distance back?
10 feet.
10 feet, oh. well.
11 is safe.
Okay.
Sorry, sorry.
That's what that 10 feet.
Okay.
You're like 25 feet.
Countdown? Is my siren into the shot?
Yep.
Yeah, it is.
Okay. 3 for Tom Diener. Let's do this.
Let's
3,
do this.
2, 1.
Awesome. Woo!